Welcome back to your favorite channel, the Learning Box by Puntoon Kids. I hope all you babies have been watching the videos and learning a lot from it. Yes? And today I'm here with a brand new concept. And can someone look what I have kept on my lap? Yes, that's a napkin. And can someone think, why do you think have I kept a napkin? Think. Yeah, because I don't want to spoil my clothes. Because in today's session, we are going to use some paints with the paintbrush. So let me see which color is coming out first. Let me see. Let's go round and round. And can all my babies tell me which color is this? Which color is this? Yes, it is red color. It is red color. And now which color I'm going to put? Let's see. Which is going to come out next? Let me see if you all know this color. Which color is this? Superb! It's yellow. It's yellow, beautiful fellow. And now, which color is coming out next? Which color is this? Superb! This is blue. So, red, yellow and blue. What are these? Who knows? What colors are these? Excellent job! These are primary colors. Which colors? Primary colors. Okay. Now let me see. How many of you can tell me what do you think is going to happen when I'm going to mix yellow and red together? So I have some yellow there and I am going to mix a little bit of red. A dot of red. Let's see what color we're going to get. Wow, what color is this now? Orange. Which color is this? Orange. Okay. Now let's see what do you think is going to happen if I'm going to mix yellow and blue together. Okay. So let's put a little bit of yellow and just a little tiny bit of blue, because blue is a dark color. And what did this turn into? Superb! Green! It's like magic. And now let's see what's going to happen, okay? Now I shall mix some red and blue together, okay? So let me take some red, a little more, and now just a little bit of blue. Oh, that's a lot. Just a little bit of blue, because blue is a dark color. And I'm going to mix it together. Wow! Look at that. I got purple. Which color is that? Purple. So, let's see what has exactly happened. When we mix red and yellow together, we get orange. When we mix yellow and blue together, we get green. And when we mix red and blue together, we get purple. So, orange, purple and green, these are secondary colors. Red, yellow, blue are primary colors. Orange, purple, green are secondary colors. And now what we are going to learn today is tertiary colors. What are we going to learn? Tertiary colors. That means we are going to learn the colors that are made when we mix one primary and one secondary color together. Okay? When we mix a primary and a secondary color together, we get tertiary colors. So are you ready for the tertiary colors? So now let's mix one primary and one secondary color together and let's see what we are going to get. Okay, so I am taking a little bit of yellow and I am going to add some orange to it. Okay, so yellow is a primary color, orange is a secondary color. So let me see what happens. What color did we make? Oh wow, look at that. Orange and yellow together makes it amber. Orange and yellow, it made it amber. Okay, now what am I going to mix? Which are the two next colors? One primary, one secondary. So there's yellow and green. So yellow is the primary color and green is the secondary color. So let's mix a little bit of green just. Beautiful, isn't it? Yes. And do you know what is this color called? This color is called chartreuse. Say it again with me. Chartreuse. Okay. So yellow and green together make it chartreuse. Now let's see, what do we have next? We have green and blue. So I'm going to take some green and after that I am going to add some blue to this. What will I do? I'll add some blue to this. Okay, a little bit. We always take very little of the darker color. And let me see, what are we going to get? Wow, that is turning out to be one of my favorite colors. And this color is known as teal. What is this color known as? Teal. So when we mix green and blue, what do we get? We get teal. And now let's see what's gonna happen. We have to mix blue and purple. What do we have to mix? We have to mix blue and purple. Are you ready? So now let's take some blue, which is the primary color. Yes, blue is the primary color and we are going to mix the secondary color purple in this. What are we going to do? Purple. And which color is this? It is violet. Which color is this? Violet. So when we mix the primary color blue and the secondary color purple together, it gives us violet. And now let's see which is the next one. Now I have to mix purple and red together. So let's see. The primary color is red. And then I will mix a little bit of purple. And which color is this? Who knows? Who knows which color is this? Excellent job. It is magenta. Which color is this? Magenta. So when we mix red, which is the primary color, purple, which is a secondary color, we get magenta. And now for the last tertiary color, let's see which are the two colors we have to mix. Which are the two left? Come on, tell me. Yes, there is red and orange. So let me take the red color first. This is the primary color. And I am going to add orange color to it, which is a secondary color. And let's see which color does this turn into. Beautiful vermilion. This is a beautiful shade, right? Isn't it? This shade, this color is called vermilion. It's a tertiary color. Yes? So when we mix red, which is a primary color, and orange, which is a secondary color, we get vermilion. So I am sure that all of you have enjoyed the video, because I think I had a lot of fun mixing colors, yes, and actually making tertiary colors. First we only had learned to make secondary colors. Now we've learned tertiary colors. So if you all have learned it and have enjoyed it, please do like, share and subscribe. I'm going to see you very soon with a new concept. Bye. Take care.